Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix video skip pausing on Android. So if you like to watch videos on your phone, maybe on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just on your phone, on your device, but it keeps pausing, here I'm going to show you how you can solve that pause video. So you can check the first thing that you can do if you are watching videos online. First, you can check for your internet connection and make sure that you've got stable and good internet connection. But if you are using Wi-Fi, you can try to turn the Wi-Fi off first, and then turn on the airplane mode, and then turn back the Wi-Fi on again. But if the internet connection is not the problem, you can check. Maybe you are watching videos on YouTube in here, for example. You can check if maybe your videos, the video that you are watching is on the highest quality. For example, I'm watching these videos right here, let's say. Okay, you can try to change the quality of the video that you are watching by clicking on the gear icon. Here you can choose quality and then choose the recommended video quality video that it will adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. So it depends on your internet connections. You can try to change the quality, and then the next things that you can do is that you can check for any updates on the apps. For example, if you're watching videos on TikTok, you can find TikTok apps on the Play Store. Here you can tap on TikTok, search for TikTok, and check if there's any update available in here, or if a TikTok needs updates. So you can just update the apps. Maybe your apps are lagging, or the videos keep pausing because the apps is not on the latest version. And then the last thing that you can do is that you can try to clear the cache of the app that you are using. So if you are using YouTube or TikTok, here you can just go to the app settings or app info. Then you can try to go to the storage and cache and just clear the cache of the app. Sometimes the simple cleaning up the cache can solve your problem. So that's all from me. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.